Now my engine is still hot. I just got back from running some errands. I'm gonna wait till this cools off because I do not want to unplug, disassemble anything, unscrew anything. This engine's still hot. You know, I don't want to put myself at risk of, you know, burning myself. Here's that last call emblem. I did install this coolant tank cover. The one thing I plan on doing is replacing the intake box with the Hellcat intake. That way it feeds from the light assembly until the intake, and that will keep the engine cooler. That's something I plan on getting in the short coming weeks. I'm gonna leave all this. Was thinking about replacing some of these engine bay parts with some billet technology metal pieces. I do like this chrome one, but some of these I'd rather replace, so more to come on that. Now I'm just gonna place this in the trunk. We're gonna do this another day, probably on the weekend, so tune back in. Finished putting on the oil catch can for the Dodge Challenger. And this is from American Bros. And this is the Scat Pack logo. Got this Mopar Door Sill. Here we go. Got that nice Challenger logo. We're gonna place this in the doors. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep this. What I'm using is the Chemical Guys detailer, and then I'm gonna hit it with an alcohol pad. I'm gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes. Just gonna clean up any debris, any dirt, and I'm just gonna prep the area. And the instruction says to let this rest for about 5 minutes or so. All right, gonna remove the tape. There we go. Let's go do the other side. Let's add it on. And there we go.